If you rarely switch between languages on your Windows 11 device, you likely won't need the language switcher in the taskbar. Fortunately, it's simple to remove it for a cleaner, more minimalist appearance. Follow the steps below to remove the language switcher from your taskbar. For this, click on the language switcher. Here you will get the list of language used for keyboard layout language. Then you can press Windows and spacebar option or click on More Keyboard Settings. Under Preferred Languages, click on the three-dot icon next to any extra languages that you may have here, and select Remove. Then in the confirmation box, click on Yes button. You can see that the language has been removed. If you have multiple languages, remove all of them and keep only one. Now the switcher icon is also removed from System Tray at Taskbar. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.